All right. Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning into another little episode of our morning streams. Today, if you're new to these, what we do in the morning, we just kind of outline, see what the overnight price action was, where we can possibly go during the New York session. Finish up with looking at some crypto possibilities and seeing what we did overnight on those as well. And then that's about it. So without further ado, let's take a gander here. I'm also going to be doing a little post inside our Discord channel about this as well. Every morning inside our Discord channel, we do a little outline, a little pre-market write-up of what we can see happening, some important levels. So you guys are pretty much getting that right there. What up, world? So let's see here. Overnight, so did a little bit of a grind up, right? So we had a nice little continuation sweep of this liquidity right here for a continuation up. So right now, up above, the things that we should be looking for is probably this liquidity right there at 230975, and this one right here at 23,167.50. Let's take a look. Our 15-minute tells us really nice liquidity. So, yeah, those two to the upside look really good. If that's what we want to do. Here on 15-minute. How's everybody's morning? How's your morning going in the world? 23,095.75 and 23,167.50. Those two liquidities are the ones that we're going to be looking for. I'm also watching this current 15-minute fair value gap. So that one's from, what is that? 23,064 to 23,054.50. We'll be looking for shorts. So right now, right, this fair value gap is pretty important to me. I'm looking at this one. Seeing if we can displace it, then we can possibly look at something like this, right? And a continuation to the downside. That's if they're looking for downside. If we're continuing to the upside, I'm looking at these two liquidities, right? We want to make sure that if we do displace them, then we're still looking up, right? That's something that we always want to watch. If we displace the liquidity, then we're looking for a continuation up. If we don't displace the liquidity, then we're likely want to see reversal from that point, right? On the hourly, similar thing, this 23, right, it's the same one. This 23,167.50. Yeah. 23,167.50. Need to re-outline that one. 238, that's one thing. We can possibly come back, retest this level again, and see what we do around it. This we can probably delete right there too. Same with this level right there. No, this one, I like the way the body's held. See, that's why we don't delete some old levels. Look at the way that we came back, retested this, and now we're holding it. So this new hourly, possibly new previous hourly sweep. 4 hour looks like it wants discount, right? Which previous weekly discount is going to be all the way over here on the 4 hour. If that is what we were looking for in terms of continuation, if the range is going to keep on being large. So if the range is going to keep on being large this week, then we're definitely looking for a continuation. Maybe this gap fill right there, this volume imbalance on the day right in discount. So let's notate that volume imbalance. That's that daily volume imbalance. Yep. And that is what we have on our NQ futures right there. Right? That's what we got there. Possibility for a lot of those, right? But we also have a little bit of LRLR to the downside. We sweep up that London session high and then possible reversal, but we're not saying anything's for certain right now. Like we said, we got our levels. Waiting for sweeps, waiting for displacements, and we'll see from there. In terms of crypto, Jupe has seen that bit of rejection, like we talked about, possibility for an open high, low close day. We don't want to see that, but if that's what they want to do, then that's what they want to do. Keep leaving my water on opposite sides of me so I can get fucking lost where it is. So now do we sweep that hourly high? High right there. Oh, wait, 175. We did sweep that liquidity. No, just want to watch it and see. Good try for some shorts, maybe. There's a possibility for an outside hour, the fact that this one didn't sweep. I like that. But we held this hourly fair value gap right there. This right here held with the bodies closing above it. Crypto. Let's see if they do want to see a continuation on crypto. I would love to see a continuation on these. Let's take a look at ETH. That's the main one that we're looking for. If ETH keeps going, ETH just needs to get back through the CISD. We don't want it rejecting this level right there. I'm gonna add alert right there. Make sure. And then Bitcoin is seeing that rejection of the 200. That is what we don't want to see. I mean, we can extend this, right? We can move this maybe. If this is how they want to do it, that'd be cool. We just need to see back above that CSD, back above that 200. And that would be ideal case scenario, right? Consolidation. We don't reverse from consolidations. This could have been your manipulation, but in reality, we don't reverse from consolidations. So that is one thing that we want to notate. Other than that, that'll probably do it for today. If you guys are new to this, make sure you check out @thepapertraders on Twitter. That's the best way to stay updated with us and what is going on inside the community. Make sure you check out the website that is right there. That's www.papertraders.io. It's the website to go to if you're looking to see what our community offers and also see the free tools that we have through our website. Make sure you check that out. At the bottom of that page, there's going to be a big red button that says View Past Streams. You press that. That brings you straight to the YouTube channel and brings you to a playlist of all the previously streamed live streams. It's all pre-recorded. It's all on there. So make sure you guys check it out if you're interested. As always, make sure you give Mr. Hayes a nice little follow. When we get him to 3,000 followers, we're gonna do a nice giveaway again for a lifetime membership for Paper Traders. As you saw yesterday, or if you didn't see, Mr. Cake won the one where I'm reaching 1,000 followers. When we get these streams to 500 concurrent viewers, we're gonna do another giveaway, and that one's gonna be for some merchandise. So we're gonna do a nice little merchandise giveaway. We got a hat, we got a hoodie, we got a T-shirt. So whatever you want, we're gonna give one of those away. As always, if you have any questions, make sure you leave them down in the comments or you type them in the chat so we can get to you. I have chat pulled up now on my side so I can actively read it and make sure that we have everything going on properly. Make sure you guys also let me move this chat right here. Oh, there we go. That's better. There you go. I like that better. Yeah. So if we got chat right there, cool. Make sure you guys ask your questions away in the chat. If you have any, stay active. We're always responding to chat. World is showing up. And if you guys are showing up consistently, you might get a nice little membership too. As you can see, World kept on showing up and he got one. Check out Blowfin. That's what we're using to trade these pairs. That's at Blowfin on Twitter. If you guys use them to sign up, you can use the code Eddie or code Hazed to get yourself a nice little initial deposit bonus. So make sure you go ahead and do that if you're looking to trade with us. Our community provides, we don't do any alerts. We provide you with some outlines. So if you're looking for alerts, you can fuck right off. I'm not afraid to say that because that's not what we are about. Make sure you guys, make sure you just check us out. Give it a like, give it a share if you're enjoying these. If these brought you value, working the word of mouth. We don't got anything, natural growth. Other than that, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you later.